I want to introduce myself. My name is RK. My full name is Rimpi Kumar Bhagat. I am from Punjab, and I have completed my study. And you can say I have been working on my English around for about 2 months back. And yes, I am also preparing for exam. Yeah.
What kind of you are preparing exam? What kind of like
Yeah. I am preparing for SSC exam and also state exam. Like
okay, SSCL. What do you mean by SSCL, brother? Because first time
S
like.
SSC combined graduate level exam.
So what is that? Can you elaborate more? Because for example, if you give a that kind of exam and if you pass out, so what is the next procedure?
Yeah, when you pass out, like you can say pass out. After that, you can give like a tie there two tier one, tier two. After that, there is a written exam. After that, you will choose it. Like if you have good rank, you can say you can choose a good you after that.
Oh, I see. That's great. So this is your future plan. I think you want to become a good professor. I mean, you want to become a good employee in a government department. Am I right?
Yeah. I wanna become. If I not get a job after that, I will go in, you can say, private sector because I did mechanical engineering. Also after that, I will join like private company if I don't get a job. There are two
That's
options for me.
That's good. Already you done a mechanical engineer, so why you are going to in government sector, bro? You can go in private sector if you get if you give an interview in mechanical engineer we can call to definitely you will get a handsome job and you will make a good career in mechanical engineer field, brother. Because
Yeah,
this day lots of people are making in this field. I know that in India, brother, little bit we are facing a problem about finding a job in engineer department.
yeah,
But
yeah,
if
yeah.
you more and more interview, definitely you will select it. You
Yeah,
will
yeah.
select.
You're right. I tried it one time, but you can say didn't select after that. I changed my mind after that.
Oh,
Yeah, but at that time my English is not good. So I feel hesitate like in front of you can say interviewer. That's why that's why I started my journey of learning English.
see, brother, don't change your mind. Whatever you did in your life about past, okay, about mechanical engineer, whatever you done your degree. So just concentrate, just pursue your dream, man. If you think about like, it's I'm feeling too stuck about my communication, so I have to change my way. Don't change. This is just language, man. If
Yeah,
you
yeah,
learn, definitely you will improve. If you give your time about English environment, I know that it's difficulty to find a job, especially if you prepare any kind of like about if you try to give any interview like mechanical and any engineer anywhere, IT sector anywhere. So over there English is very important.
yeah.
You do not clear your interview, then maybe we get a reject, maybe we get a fail, and we feel too sad. So that moment, if we feel to demotivate, brother, then we will never get a success.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
don't do that, brother. Avoid this thing. If your problem is English, so here we we can talk about, we can
Yeah,
improve our, we can find a solution about regarding English, brother. See,
yeah, yeah.
brother, lots of people are facing a English language because English is very very important. Without English, some people talk about, brother, I don't have a knowledge about English language, that's why reason I'm not going to attend any interview. So
Yeah.
before attending interview, just work yourself. Why we are not learning a English language, why we are not improving a English language, what is the reason? Find out your answer, find a
Can
solution,
yeah.
work
Can you
yourself.
give me some you can say tips how I improve my English?
Yeah, brother. That's why
Yeah,
reason we are here. Okay, that's the reason we are trying to interact with each other, and we are trying to conversation each other because this is good platform to improving English language, brother. So I can help you. Don't worry. See, if we have a problem about English language. That's why reason we are not getting a proper job. So we can find the answer. How? I'm going to tell you how do we improve our communication, how do we improve our English language. First thing, brother, you have to passionate. Okay. And second thing, every day do a practice. Without practice, brother, we can't learn a English language. So practice more. Practice more means like regular basis, whole day, whole time. Just think about English. English doesn't matter what you are thinking, but it's very important. Speak, talk. Think about what's my future plan. Anything you can talk. Just talk, just speak, brother. Yourself.
And I wanna ask you one question, like, what is the importance of writing in speaking?
Writing.
Writing, yeah.
See, brother, like I'm not sure about, but who were preparing some kind of exam and something like IELTS. So over there, it's very important writing skill, brother. It's very important. So that's why why people are improving a writing skill, because if you try to write something, you will get a clarification what I'm writing, and whenever you write any sentence, any story, any word, you will remember forever. So writing is very, very important. But if you talk about speaking part, brother, this is totally different. This is totally different. Right now, we are having a conversation. We are talking each other way, very easy way. We are sharing our problem. We are, finding answer. Like if I tell you how to we improve English language, easy way. So regular basis, brother, like, do some very few points regular in the morning time, if possible, then try to make a early bird, brother. Early bird means like just woke up early morning.
Okay.
Don't feel to couch potato we can call to like lazy, shyness, unhappy. Always we give excuses ourselves. Always we feel to like regret, sad, emotion. So don't feel like that. Don't feel couch potato. Okay.
Okay.
Always consider this is just language. If we get a positivity, for example, like I have a dream, like I want to become a doctor, not doctor. Suppose I'm going to tell you example, like you want to become a engineer, like mechanical engineer, some kind of engineer. Okay. And over there you try to give an interview, but unfortunately you are rejecting because of communication skill.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you got a point like my communication is not good. I have to learn, I have to improve. So how do we do? Already you find your goal. Like I want to improve my communication. So whenever you get a like proper reason, valid reason, like no, I want to learn, so learn. Then practice more, brother. Regular basis, just try to talk to yourself, talk with your friend circle, create your environment. If possible, then make a video with stranger. And I'm sure right now we don't have a partner, we don't have an environment. That's why reason we shifted here. Am I right?
Yeah,
So
yeah, right.
regular basis, brother, just interact with stranger, with unknown person, regular basis. Don't afraid. Don't try to afraid about speaking part. No anyone perfect to English language, brother. Everyone learning here.
Yeah,
See,
yeah.
whenever we heard about English sentence, English word, so always we go to backward. Always we just take a few steps about backward, brother. We do not think about like no, I want to face that kind of problem. It's okay if I make a mistake. It's okay. People never going to kill me.
Yeah,
Even
yeah.
the English language, but brother, we always afraid about English sentence whenever we heard about. So this thing we have to destroy ourselves. We have to remove this sentence. No, I can't afraid. It's okay. Whenever I get an opportunity, at least grab opportunity, talk to in front of. Doesn't matter you're speaking right and wrong. At least try. One of guy, he's a YouTuber. Maybe you heard about Maheshwari, Sandeep Maheshwari.
Yes, Dinesh, right. Yeah, right, that. Yeah,
Maybe you
yeah,
saw his video on YouTube channel.
yeah, 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 I know.
Suddenly I watched his video. It's a long time ago when he was starting point, when he was trying to give a speech in front of people, like thousands of people. Okay, so that
Okay.
moment he was afraiding too much. If you watch his video, like it's long time ago. I don't remember when he uploaded that one. Maybe 5 to 6 years ago, that video, okay, if you try to watch his video, in that video, brother, he was, he was making a too much mistake. He was, trying to speak like fumble, and he was trying to do beat about the bus. And we can say that moment he do not say like, he do not explain proper story. Sorry for that. He do not, try to explain proper story. He didn't deliver our content in front of people. He made a lots of mistake, but he had a desire, brother.
Yeah, yeah.
Decided to like, no, I want to become a master. I want to learn or become a public speaker. And right now, if you watch his video, brother, then you can find the answer.
Yeah, I
Right?
speak very well nowadays.
What his level? He's a
Yeah,
motivating in front of 1,000 of people, man.
yeah,
So
you're right.
always we have to passionate about, brother. Always we have to make an interest. No, I want to learn. English
Yeah,
is so easy, but always we afraid. We try to make a complicate, brother. We
yeah,
try
yeah.
to. I can't do that.
You're talking about yourself when you started your English journey, and how's your level then when you started your English journey?
See, if I tell you about myself, brother, so when I was beginner, that moment I got a too much problem about understanding, about grammar part, about pronunciation part, about vocabulary, about we can say I was fumbling myself. But one thing I had a desire. Always I tried to listen carefully, brother. I tried to invest my time in English environment. I listen a podcast. I watch a thousand of movie, and I try to practice myself. Like whenever I get any call, I try to tell my story, what I did, what's my future plan, what's my hobby. I try to talk more, brother. You don't believe me? I was practicing around 3 hour to 4 hour regular basis when I was beginner.
Right.
And you can see right now what's my English level. Even still now,
No, your English is very well. You are speaking too good.
see, I can say right now I'm speaking just 25 percentage, brother. It's remaining 75 percentage. So in future time, definitely I will work myself because this is not enough for me. Right now I'm feeling too much afraid about English, brother. Like I do not get a proper word, I do not get a proper vocabulary whenever I get a situation. So it's happened with me. I'm also beginner, brother, but I do regular basis. I practice a lot, sir.
Yeah, but main thing is that you are speaking with very confidence. You have a good confidence to speak in front of stranger. That's the good, you can say, good thing in you.
One thing, if you have a confidence, you can defeat with anyone. You can deliver your content. You can, you can't afraid while
Yeah,
speaking. So it's very important. Confidence, brother. Build your confidence. Confidence means what? Like we don't know exactly what is the answer, but we try to take a step. We try to, try to solve answer. For
yeah,
example, if I tell you like one kind of game, we can say, do you know marathon and something?
yeah,
Marathon.
yeah.
Do you know running
Fun.
game?
Yeah, running. Yeah,
So I know that. I know that like I will never win in this match, in a run match, we can say. But I try to participate. I try to
yeah,
participate. I knew that like I will never win in that match, but I try to
yeah.
participate because my confidence.
Yes,
Doesn't
yes.
matter if I fail, if I pass. At least try to participate. At least try to get an opportunity.
Yeah,
Very
yeah.
few times, brother, we get a good opportunity. Very few time.
Yeah, I hope you will become, you can say, you will achieve your all goals.
It depend on us how we use. We can say like if we use our proper time, if we learn a time management, how to use a proper time. We can say like time is very important our life, brother.
Yeah,
Time
yeah,
is very important. If you
yeah.
lost your time, then time will never come back.
Yes,
So
yes.
invest your time in good environment. Just find a good opportunity.
Okay, then
Improve.
how I wanna ask you one question. Then how you manage your time? Because sometimes you can say like sometimes I feel like demotivated. Sometimes I have a no time. Then how you manage your time for speaking, your practice?
Okay.
like this. Yeah.
See, yeah, I'm going to share with you my time. Okay. So even we are human being, brother. Obviously, whole day it's not possible to motivate. Sometimes we get a like problem. That moment we feel to demotivate. We feel too
Yes.
happy. We feel too unhappy. We feel too sad. It's happened with because we are human. Okay. So whenever we get demotivated, brother, like whenever I get an opportunity to talk in front of people, that moment I could not able to talk. So obviously we will get a demotivate. We will get a like we will afraid. And whenever we get a demotivate like situation, so that moment always remember our dream, brother. Always remember our goal. Just try to convince yourself. If I not do this thing, then I will lost forever. I can't reach over there. And always look our family, always look our parents face.
Yes. Yes.
See,
Okay.
if you have a desire, if you have a goal, like I want to become a success person, I want to become a rich person, and right now our condition, our financial condition is so weak, so always look our parents face,
Yes.
then
Yes.
definitely motivate ourselves.
Yes.
See, poverty teach like do struggle, motivate yourself.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
But like very poor, very poor. I can't afford a fees. I can't afford a good food. I can't afford a like clothes and house. So always remember your real situation. Always remember your, always just try to look our parents' face. They have a dream. They have a some, like they always think about our children. One day they will get a good success. They will become a rich person. So look at our parents,
Yes.
then
Yes.
struggle, then we can say motivate ourselves and we will learn. And definitely if you give 100%, if you effort more, you will get a success, brother.
Yeah. 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 You are right. You are right. Do you like reading? Like reading part? Like do you like reading? Like novels, newspapers?
Sometime I try to reading part, brother. You can see my behind. I have a
Yeah.
lots of
There are
like
lots of books. Yeah.
I'm not I do not try to read more than, brother. Always I whenever I get a free time, I feel to like
Okay.
at least just try to read a book. So that moment I take a one book and I try to read about some story, some vocabulary, some like I have a lots of books collection, by the way.
Yeah. 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 I see that.
So this is my way to improvement, brother. I think you are getting my point, like what I'm trying to
Yeah,
say.
yeah, you are motivating me and you give me very good suggestion. Yeah, I
If
will apply in my life also.
if you
Yeah,
want to improve your English about honestly, brother, then work
yes,
yourself. Do hard work. Hard work means like
okay,
just regular basis, practice a lots of, listen more, watch more, and
okay,
observe people.
okay,
Definitely, without grammar, without study, you will improve your communication skill. You will improve your English language. If possible, brother, then whole time just spend your time about conversation, brother. Because conversation always, remember what we are talking and what we are doing. We can hear our voice. We can listen our, wording. So
yes,
automatically we will get like what's my error, what's my fault, how I'm speaking. So it's very important, just practice a lot, of brother. Do conversation, one-to-one group discussion with friend, with your family, with your neighbor. Just grab opportunity, just talk
yes,
more. Talk more means like then you will clarify yourself, like, and
yeah, yeah,
automatically you will get a fluency automatically, brother.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. And tell me about your, you can say, reason of your confidence. You are speaking very good with expression, like you are speaking very good expression. You have very good expression when you
I
speak with full
before I
confidence.
like, before I told you, always think about English, brother. If I tell you like, brother, just do a practice 1 hour and 2 hour, it's not
Yes,
going to work. People talk about just practice 1 and 2 hour, but it will
yeah,
take a time, maybe 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year. But we
yes,
have to, we have to learn a very short period. So if you
yes,
want to
yes.
learn within a short period, brother, then you have to work yourself like whole day. Just think about English. At least you will clarify basically.
Yeah, yeah, you are right. You are right.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
So I
yeah,
have a point.
yeah, I will apply in my life, and I hope I will become like you after some months, because I
All
started my journey before,
for
I think, 2 months back of English
you.
practice.
If you decided no, I want to learn within a short period, then you will. But it's very important. Give your effort.
Yeah,
Struggle.
yeah, I will do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you very much for giving me your, you can say, good
My
suggestion to me.
pleasure, brother. Okay.
Yeah.